Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. We are out here today. It's around 4 in the evening, and we're just having some fresh air. This is Jasmine, baby J. So that was me earlier. I had gone to the Mjengo to supervise it, and I was trying to help and see how it feels. Actually, the sun was very hot. It was very hot. Hey, people should respect other people's jobs. But yes, we thank God regardless. That is my baby. She's also trying to do it. Oh my God. Yes, that is me as I continue to help the guy, the small dude over there. I was feeling for him. I really was feeling for him. Yeah, I was helping him. I was doing it. I was feeling the thing, and then he comes and carry it. Yeah. So after that, we went straight ahead home. Oh my God, I was so very tired. People should appreciate what they have and how they get their source of income. It's really hard out here. So after I was from that other place of construction, I came straight home, and this is my baby Najma and baby J. You can see them there. Yes, they are big girls, they're grown girls. Oh, I appreciate God for them. So I was helping my mom clean one of our rental houses. One of the tenants had moved, so I was helping her with cleaning so that when the new tenant comes in, they should find the house very clean. By the way, this is located in Kilifi County in Mariakani. If you need a house for rent, this is a double room. We have that bedroom and the sitting area over there. It's not even expensive. With the 4,500 shillings you can rent per month, you can rent this house. And security is okay, and yeah, everything is okay. So that is the state of the house. I was helping my mom clean it before a new tenant comes in. Yeah, so that is my mom cleaning it. We are Africans, and I know my mom could not have allowed me not to clean it, but just because I was holding a baby, that's why I couldn't do it. So my mom decided just to do it, and because of the dust, it could have affected my small baby. So my mother decided to do it, and I was there taking the video while holding the baby. That is me now going to empty the dust bin into the pit. You can see. Yeah, my mom can't allow me just to sit and watch or take a video. I have to do something meaningful. Yes, we are Africans. That is us now leaving the premises. You can see my mom is closing the door. We are leaving. We have cleaned. Now you're praying God for a tenant, a good one for that matter. Yeah. So that is it. I'm carrying my baby. She has really caught my dress, so she's even pulling it down. So there we are. We are finished. Now we are beating stories. We are African. Africa is our business. Now let me tell you about this chicken. This is a broiler for business. My mom is an entrepreneur, or they call them business people. My mom really loves business, and in various ways she likes to make money. She says if you're not making money while sleeping, then you have to do something about it. While you're sleeping, you have to be making money somewhere. So this is her part-time business. You can see there, she has kept those bats. These are, I think, 3 weeks if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure about it. Yeah, but they are good, and we are going to the festive season, so definitely they'll be ready by Christmas. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.